friends, I am Pranita Sheshni, the students of Bridgesung Training Center. Today I am here with you to discuss the topic that is the clinical research. What is the clinical research? The clinical research involves the studying health and disease in humans to improve the medical knowledge and patient care. It encompasses various types of studies such as clinical trials, observational studies, and also epidemiological studies. What is the clinical trials? These are tried in the human beings. In this, testing new drugs, treatments, or intervention in control setting to assess their efficacy and safety is carried out. Next is the observational studies. In this, the observing and analyzing the patients in their natural setting without intervening, such as cohort and case control studies are carried out. Next is the epidemiological studies. In this type of studies, the examining pattern, causes, and effects of health conditions in the specific population. Next is the clinical research. Helps to develop the new treatments, understand the disease mechanism, and improve the healthcare practices. The clinical research focuses on evaluating new treatments, drugs, or medical devices through the carefully designed studies to improve the health outcomes. Here are in we can discuss the overview of this. There are four types of phases involved in the clinical trials, that is phase first, second, third, and fourth. In the phase first, test a new drug or treatments in the small group. There are 20 to 100 people are used for this to assess the safety, dosage, and side effects. Next step is the phase second. It involves the expands the study to a larger group. It involves 100 to 300 healthy volunteers, and it is used to evaluate the effectiveness and also further the safety. The next phase is the phase third. It involves a larger population, that involves 1000 to 3000 healthy people are involved in it, and it is used to confirm the effectiveness, monitor side effects, and compare with the standard treatments. And then next phase is the phase 4. It is the post marketing phase surveillance. It is used to check the safety after the marketing in the market. It is used to gather the additional information on long term effects and overall effectiveness in the general population. Then now we can discuss the type of the clinical research. There are various types of the clinical research, such as interventional studies, observational studies, and randomized control trials, etc. We can see the one by one. Then next is the interventional studies. In this, the researchers actively intervene, such as administering a new drug or treatment. The next is the observational studies. The researcher observe and collect the data without intervening the study natural outcome or associations. The next is the randomization control trials, that is RCTs. Participants are randomly assigned to different groups in this, for example, treatment for the placebo, to ensure the unbiased. The next is the ethics and regulation. The clinical research is regulated by ethical guidelines and standards to ensure the safety and rights of the participants. Institutional review boards, that is IRBs, review the study protocols to ensure the ethical conduct. The next is the clinical research process. It includes the design, recruitment, data collection, and reporting. What is the design? In design, the planning of the study, including the objectives, methodology, and statistical analysis. Recruitment, It involves the enrolling participants who meet the study criteria. Next is the data collection. It gathering and analysis of the data from the study. Next is the reporting. It involves the publishing the results in the scientific journals to contribute to a medical knowledge. The clinical research is the essential for advancing medical science, improving patient care, and ethical guidelines and standards to ensure the safety and rights of the participant. Institutional review boards review the study protocols to ensure the ethical conduct. I think it is all too clear to you. It is all about the clinical research and basic of the clinical research. What is mean by clinical research? The steps involved in the clinical research. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you for listening me. Thank you, friends.